All right. Can you guys hear me? Perfect. Hello? Hello? Yo, 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 yo. All right, cool. Oops. All right, so what I'm looking for right now, I'm just looking to see if you guys see on the 5 minute chart right here, we have NASDAQ that's on this channel. It's been on this channel basically this whole morning, pre-market, since about midnight. So we'll see if we can break out of it. Looks like we're going to break out of it. If not, we'll see if we could test that low range at about 14,178 for a dip buy. If not, I'll let her break out, and then we'll see if we could go long above 248. Google selling off pretty hard here, down about 3.3%. Nasdaq's popping up there now, getting rejected again at that SPY though. The S&P ripped pretty hard right here. It's in the morning. It ran up. What is that? Let's see what this is. It's ran up about 0.5% almost from the bottom there. Again, we'll see if we want to test that bottom range now. I would jump in short here, but I don't want to get chopped out with all this choppiness going on. So I'm going to just patiently wait for a dip buy at that 178. There it is. There it goes. JP Morgan's holding this level pretty good so far. I would buy this around 120, which is still kind of far to go, but SPY ripping. Wow, the S&P keeps on ripping. The S&P might carry NASDAQ. We might watch this break to the upside now. See, if you got short there on the NASDAQ, then you got just faked out with that big green candle back up. I'm looking to get long here. I'm gonna give it a few more seconds. Oh my god, no, that's a terrible fill right there. That is a terrible fill. I sent my order and it got, wow. I'm gonna buy another one there. That was a terrible fill though. I sent my order down here, but it popped up way up here at that same second, and I just got filled terribly. Big red candle too after I bought that. Let's see what it does here. That was ugly. I'm sorry, but let's see if we get some strength and we start to actually fly here. I'm sorry, but that ruined my whole momentum. That's unfortunate, man. Look at that big fake out. Holy shit. This is what I'm talking about. You very, very big whipsaws. If you went short here, got whipsawed on the way up. Same thing on the way up. On the way up, you're like, right, here it is. We're about to go long, and it gets faked out. Damn, that fill was terrible. I got filled terribly though. I wanted to go short here now, but I just can't because the S&P is just so strong right now. Alright, here we go. Now we're going to test that low. Dude, I should have never gone long there. That was a terrible, terrible move. This is why I wait about 10 minutes before I start trading, because we have a lot of this bullshit in the beginning. Amazon's down about 0.5%. Facebook down 0.5%. Microsoft down 0.5%. JP Morgan's green up 4.4. Surprisingly, is holding. Damn, man, I got faked out. Look at this big wick, and I got filled like way up here too. That makes it worse. We got JP Morgan right now flying. 3 big green candles. Still rocketing right now. It's up 0.6 now. Nasdaq looking like make that move down again. Let's see if we can get it moved down to about 74. I'll look to buy around that area. This can be a quick buy. I'm gonna try to just get in for a quick bounce and then get out. Let's see if we could get down there a little bit more. Let's get those low 70s. Getting bought up already, never mind. There's some buyers there. There's some buyers there now. Here we go. Again, that move down to the low 70s. Oh, it just flushed down there right now. I just missed it. It flushed down there pretty good. I'm gonna try to buy one there. It's not looking too good, but let's see if we can hold this 70s. Looks like we're already selling off. Okay. Buy another one right there. Let's see if we can get a bounce here. I just would like to see a bounce back up to about 90. Let's see if we could get that. Let's see if we can make a test back up to that EMA. If not, looks like it's about to continue to sell off. Yeah, it looks like it's going to continue to sell off here. Going to hold this just a little longer. Let's see if they wants to bounce, because it does look like there's some buyers there, but let's see if they can win this battle. I'm going to get another one there. Let's see if we can make this move up now. Nah, it's not going to do it. Damn. It's definitely having some buyers here. They're definitely fighting. Let's see what kind of bounce we get. A bounce to 80 would be solid bounce. Let's see if we could just get a quick pop up there. 280. Nah. So much sellers. So many sellers right there. I'm gonna get out of all of it there. I just wasn't able to break above that, so I knew it was just gonna probably continue to sell off. It's not a good start so far. We're down quite a bit. If I go red on the next trade, I'll be done for today. That first trade fucked me. I was down 150 on this one trade right here. Next level to get long would probably be around that 128, which is, we're pretty far from it. I don't think we'll get it. We'll probably get a bounce off that before we hit that. The next level would be 30. Let's see if we could get to 30. If we could get down to 30, I'll definitely start buying some more again. Let's see if we could get a little bit more of a butter here. Down to 30. Getting to move here. Let's see. I'm gonna buy one early there at 37. That's an ugly fill. I'm gonna buy another one there at 37. Let's see if we can start getting to some type of bounce here. It's a pretty good level on the 5 minute. Doesn't mean we cannot continue selling off. So here on the 5 minute, we have that line right there where we bounced off it once, hit resistance twice, bounced off it here, and then here again. When you get a nice little pop here on the upside. Nah, it's turning red. Let's see. Let's see if we get some shorts covering here. No. Sellers are winning. That's unfortunate. I made only a few dollars off that. That was the weakest bounce after that sell-off. I was expecting at least a pop up to about 60. That was so weak though. Let's see, we're about to make some new lows now. The next level I'm looking for is probably just going to be 4,100 for a bounce. If it gets down there, we'll see if it does. Google down 1.2%. Apple down 0.5%. AMD down 1.2%. Amazon down 0.7%. Microsoft down 0.6% only. It's holding up pretty good. Tesla down 2.8%. JP Morgan is red again. Does NASDAQ want to continue down to 4,100? Or are we finally going to get the bounce? NASDAQ looks like it wants to continue the drop. Well, it looks like we want to make another move down. Can we make that move down to 4,100? If we can, I'll try to go long again at that level. Google making a new low. NASDAQ, there it goes. Microsoft down almost 1% now. Next level is about 4,100 just for a psychological. See if we can get a small bounce. But the next real level that we have is going to be that 14,050. I would look to get in at 4,100 just for a psychological level. See if we can get a bounce off that. That's really all it would be. We did bounce off of that a few times though on the 5-minute. We rejected here once. Got stuck there early on. And then bounced off of it here too. S&P hitting that good level right there for a bounce. I'm actually gonna go long here on the S&P. Gonna add 2 of them there. The S&P hit that level right here that we have at 44.26. That's a daily support that we have here. It wants to make another low here. Oh, the S&P continues. Gonna hold these for a little bit though. This can be more of a longer play. See if we can make a move back up to about 44.30s, 35 or so. See if we can get a good bounce off that. I want to jump in on NASDAQ too. I'm going to see if we can start finally to form some type of support here. And we can kind of curl up and make a move maybe to 41.40. Sorry, to 140. If it has any strength. This could take a minute though to form. Yeah, look at that. Selling off right away. Didn't even hold that. We'll see if it can hold this level though. Amazon down 1%. Google down 1.2. Nasdaq's about to break up here. I'm not gonna go in just because I'm already in on the S&P. I'm gonna hold this for a little bit. If we get a little rejection here and kind of hold this level though, I'll get in for the next push up. So that's the rejection I'm talking about. Now let's see if we can hold this level. And if it starts to curl up again in the next 2-3 candles, I'll jump in. Nasdaq wants to break out here. Could get rejected, to be very careful. We could break up and start making that move to about 140. Or we could just sell off right now, get rejected, and hold this level for about 5 more minutes and then try to curl up again. If we could hold this level on this rejection, I'll definitely look to see if we could get long on the next push up. I'm going to jump in there with one contract on the NASDAQ. If it starts to break that above that 126, I'll jump in with one or more. Right now it's getting rejected. Ah, not looking good. I'm gonna sell that one there. It's just getting rejected here. Again, if we hold this 4110, the 1410. I don't know why I keep saying different numbers, but and then kind of curl up again, I'll jump in. I want to see this kind of start to hold this level and then start to slowly curl up. Come on, Nasdaq, you gotta hold this level. Sorry, you can ignore that. I'm buying some Google on my long-term account. Consumer sentiment just came out. Supposedly it's good numbers. We'll see if we can break up with this. Can we break up with this? Consumer sentiment numbers just came out well above expected. The S&P is ripping, Nasdaq kind of lagging. Nah, selling back off. That's not good. Let's get a nice rip now here. Let's make that run to 140. Nope, it's getting rejected. There's no way. There's still sellers out there. Aren't you guys tired? Don't you guys need to cover your shorts here or something? This candle needs to have a pop here, or I'm gonna have to sell this. Alright, sold all of it. Moves are trash. They're just not moving good. S&P looks like it wants to continue moving up. Nasdaq's getting stuck here though. What's going on? We need this to break above 132 before you actually see a true move up. It might not be able to though. The S&P is still doing solid. I should have kept those. Yeah. Nasdaq's gonna start to roll over now. So be careful. HD down 1%, Google down 1.1, Amazon down 1.1. Oh, this might be it right here. Finally. I'm gonna jump in there short. I mean, sorry, with the long position. I'm gonna add another one there. S&P's ripping pretty good, so let's see if the Nasdaq could do anything with it. Oh my god, you're kidding me. This thing has no strength. After a sell-off like that, you can't bounce anything? You have no bounce in you? After having that much? Wow. Yeah, I'm fucking done with that one. Damn, 385. Jesus Christ. How did I lose 385? I was just down like 1 something. I'm down 258 for the day. I need to call it a day before I overtrade and just make things worse. It's unfortunate, you know. Nasdaq just kind of faked me twice. It just kept wanting to bounce, but it just didn't have strength. It has no strength. It finally broke that 132, and then look, it had no strength. I jumped in twice. Could not continue. Nasdaq, there it goes, finally. Selling off. Damn, there it goes. The next level is going to be 14,054 for the Nasdaq. I got chopped out way too much there. Damn, that volume is really picking up now for the downside. I might like to get long here if it wants to butter a little bit more. This is a key level for the Nasdaq on the daily. We're about to make another move down here. We have some support here though, so we'll see if it does. AMD down 2%. Damn. JP Morgan needs to sell off more, man. This thing's holding up too well. I'm trying to buy some.